Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you have very well understood about the industries working in Pakistan. As you all know that there are three types of industries: small industries, large industries and the defense industries. The third and the most important industry is known as which is known as the defense industry, that is iron and steel industry. Why it is very important? Because it provides the base for all other industries. The products from iron and steel industries are used as raw materials for other industries. As well as the steel industry generates substantial export earning and tax revenue. Today we are going to talk about the blast furnace. Okay students, the blast furnace purpose is to chemically reduce and physically convert iron oxide into liquid iron called hot metal. The blast furnace is a huge steel stack line with refractory brick where iron ore, coke and limestone are dumped into the top and preheated air is blown into the bottom. The workers who operate furnaces, mold equipment, and rolling and finishing machines to make iron pipes, grates, steel slabs, bars, billets, sheets, rods, wires, and plates. Iron and steel products range from carpentry nails to building grinders and from cars to guitar strings. Alright students, now we will discuss how the blast furnace works. The purpose of blast furnace is to reduce and convert iron oxides into liquid iron called hot metal. The blast furnace, as you can see in the picture, is a huge steel stack lined with a refractory brick. Iron ore, coke and limestone are put into the top and preheated air is blown into the bottom. Why does iron have to be extracted in a blast furnace? Why it is necessary? Iron can be extracted by the blast furnace because it can be displaced by carbon. This is more efficient method than electrolysis because it is more cost effective. Now the method. 3 substances are needed to enable the extraction of iron from its ore. The combined mixture is called charge, hematite. It is a common iron oxide with the formula Fe2O3. Hematite is color black to steel or silver gray, as you can see in the picture, brown to reddish brown or red. It is mined as the main ore of iron. Second is the limestone. Practically we use limestone in our houses. It is a sedimentary rock made up mostly of the mineral calcite, a form of calcium carbonate whose formula is CaCO3. Third is coke. Coke is a fuel with few impurities and a high carbon content, usually made from coal. Okay student, we have discussed about the charge. Charge is placed in a great giant chimney called blast furnace. Its height is about 30 meters and it is fireproof bricks. Hot air is produced from the bottom. Now here you can see the steps how the blast furnace works. A mixture of limestone, coke and hematite is added at the top of the blast furnace. At the bottom you can see the hot air is blasted into the blast furnace. Now come to the point number 3 at the top. The carbon reacts with the hot air to form carbon dioxide. In the fourth step, the coke reacts with the carbon dioxide to form carbon monoxide. Then the carbon monoxide reduces the iron ore to form iron and carbon dioxide. Now again come to the bottom. Sixth step, the pig iron collects at the bottom of the blast furnace to the tapped off. In the seventh step, in front of the sixth step, at the bottom, impurities collect at the bottom in a layer that is known as slag and can be tapped off. As you can see, the gases are coming out. In the eighth step, the waste gases are removed from the blast furnace. Now the reactions taking place before the iron is finally produced is carbon in addition with oxygen that becomes carbon dioxide. The limestone breaks down to form carbon dioxide. As you can see, calcium carbonate decomposes into carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide produced in 1+2 react with more coke to produce carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide reduces the iron in the ore to give molten iron. The limestone from 2 reacts with the sand to form slag that is known as the calcium silicate. Both the slag and the iron are drained from the bottom of the furnace. The slag is mainly used to build roads. The iron waste molten is poured into molds and left to solidify. This is called cast iron and is used to make railings and storage tanks. The rest of the used is to make steel.